Hi class, this is Gigi from Kauai Community College. So in this video, we are going to look at the derivative for sine of x. And in order to do that, we need to know two limits. Okay, two special limits. One is cosine of h minus 1 over h as h approaches 0. And the answer to this is 0. And then the other one is the limit as h go to 0 of sine h over h, and that limit is 1. So what I will need you to do is, if you're sitting here wondering where that comes from, I want you to go ahead and make a table of values or to look at the graph of these functions and convince yourself that these are 0 and 1, okay? The question at hand is, what is the derivative of sine of x? Okay, so by definition, the derivative of sine x with respect to x is limit as h goes to 0 of, okay, and it's all over h, right, of sine of x plus h minus sine of x all over h. Now, the sum. What is sine of x plus h? Sine of x plus h is going to be sine, cosine, cosine, sine, right? That's what the sum of a plus b is. So this is going to be sine of x cosine of h plus cosine x sine h, and then minus the sine x that is there. Okay, so that's some trigonometry there for you, and all over h. All right, so when we are looking at this here, there are two terms there that have a sine x. There are two terms there that have a sine x. So I'm going to go ahead and factor out the sine x. Limit as h go to 0. And I'm going to go ahead and separate the limit because the limit of a sum is the sum of the limit. Okay, and this is over h, this is over h. And the first term I'm going to combine the first and the last, the third term there, and factor out sine x. So I'll have sine x, and then I will have cosine h minus 1 all over h. Okay, and then the other one, I would write cosine x sine h over h. Okay, do you recognize the blue elephant and the pink elephant? The blue elephant is this right here, and that goes to 0. The pink elephant is this one right here, and that goes to 1. Okay, that goes to 1. There's your 1. Okay, so 0 multiplied by sine x is going to be 0. So the first part of that there is going to go to 0. The second part, when h goes to 0, cosine x is going to stay cosine x. Multiplied by 1 is going to be cosine x. So we say the derivative of sine x is cosine of x. Okay, and we write the derivative of sine x is cosine of x.